Hi, it's Gabrielle
Hi.
Dolan here and Janine Garner, and we are so excited because we are about to launch our winning formula full day session again. Last year we ran it in Melbourne and Sydney, and it was a lot of fun and heaps of benefit, and we're doing it again. So we're doing it again in Melbourne and Sydney this year in October and September and October. Yeah. So it's all about strategic storytelling and strategic networking. So Janine, what are you going to cover in strategic networking?
Well, the reality is we're all living in a crazily busy world, aren't we? And we seem to be more connected than ever before, and yet we're becoming increasingly disconnected. So the key thing I'm going to be covering is who is your inner circle? Who are the key 12 people that you need to know to drive your success, to build your business, and to build your professional career? So we'll go through who they are, why they're important, we'll develop a contact strategy, and then the most important piece at the end of that is how are you going to get remembered? How are people going to remember you, who you are, what you do, and why they should be excited to know you too? So I'm all about strategic networking for your career and business.
And one of the ways that's happened is through storytelling. So my part of the workshop is teaching you storytelling, that how you can share personal stories that communicate your business messages. So whatever your business messages are. So we'll take you through this really cool process of identifying your messages, helping you find the stories, and giving you a framework so you can start your story, middle, and how you can end it on impact. And both of us offer a 90-day follow-up program. So you'll come to the session, you'll think it's great, but the 90 days is all about how you keep it going and how you really get the benefit out of the investment that you're going to put in of your time into the workshop.
Plus our books, you're going to get a copy of that.
Oh, yeah, that's like priceless. That is.
And hanging around with us for 2 days.
Well, no, that's not necessarily priceless.
It is priceless, of course it is. So if you're running your own business, you need to be in the room for the day in Sydney or Melbourne. If you are in organisations trying to get new messages across, build engagement, get your teams working better together, if you've got something that you've got to launch to market, you got to be in the room. If you are changing culture, changing organizations, you got to be in the room. And if you're serious about your career growth or your business growth, then strategic networking and strategic storytelling are your assets and will become your competitive advantage. So we hope to see you. Dates are somewhere up, down, left, right, wherever. Or contact us, direct messages, us, or find us somewhere. But we hope to see you.
Okay, see you soon. Bye.